Our topic this week is fluency for week 11, and this is your introduction video to see your goals for this week. Start with our story of the week. It's called Muncha 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 by Candace Fleming, and you should notice right away a connection from this story to the story we heard last week with Creepy Carrots. See how you can make the connection between the two stories during your comprehension component of our weekly literature brainstorm. Check out my ideas of how I integrated the book, and we also have a video of the author getting interviewed. There's also a link to the author website and some other book ideas for Muncha Muncha Muncha. Read through our weekly message, paying attention to our discussion topic for this week. Our topic this week is to explain the significance of developing fluency in young readers and how you can help learners achieve this goal. Okay, so keep that in mind as you work through our presentation this week. Our warm-up activity is thinking about something you're fluent at doing, and you're going to share your activity right here. So we start with defining fluency, and I'd like you to watch this video and use what you already know about fluency and share your answer here. So this is the way that I'm going to assess your prior knowledge of fluency, and you're going to make some inferences using the video to begin to think about what this actually means. This is our definition. Remember to click on our speaker. It gives you more information for each slide. There are 3 components of fluency, and they're broken down for you. There is a video to watch on this slide. Here we have the speaker button, and again the speaker button, and again the speaker button. This slide has a video to watch. You can see this in action and also listen to the speaker. After we've defined fluency, we're going to get into teaching fluency. And so we're going to start with what is developmental. We have a timeline. Then we have the teacher's role. We've got our instructional role. We have some visuals that we can use. We can talk about how teachers can best facilitate practice. And there is a speaker button up here in the corner. We talk about using predictable text. On this slide, we have a speaker for more information. We have a video, and we also have a place where you're going to be sharing. Here's your question, and you're going to be sharing here, and we have a link. These are all instructional activities to teach phrasing explicitly in your classroom. Instead of me telling you about them, you're going to open the record sheet right here by clicking on it and printing it or using it as a PDF. And then you're going to click on each of the strategies and take notes onto the activity sheet. You're going to define it. You're going to rate how you would feel about using it, and you would find out when can you use this in your classroom. Click on the speaker button for more information. We have a try it out for Educanon. Just a reminder, if Educanon is not working real well for you, when you click here, if it doesn't take you directly into our video, then what you want to do is you want to take the link and try it outside of D2L. And that also gives you the option to go into our Weebly account. We have our Weebly website for this class. Go right there and try it from there. I've actually even linked Educanon to our Weebly site, so you should just be able to go right from there if you're having trouble. These are activities we want to avoid for fluency instruction. Click on the speaker for more information. And then we have a do this instead activity where you're going to click here and read an article. And then you're going to come up with something to do instead of these 5 activities and share it right here. This is also some online resources. If you click on our web resource right here, you can read through that article. There's lots of links here, and I say that right here. This is This is important. We want to make sure that you're clicking on those links within the article and leaving the website to get the most of it. Also, go and click on our Pinterest link and go in and look at the Pinterest activities for fluency. And once you find something you like, share it here. These are some of my fluency favorites, and I'd like you to watch the video of how we can use fluency strips and think about making up your own fluency strip. And the last component is assessing fluency. And so this will show you the process of assessing phrasing and expression and pace. We have a video here. Take a moment and watch the video. And then talking about student self-assessment, and there's a video here. And then rubrics students can use to self-assess. If you click on each rubric, it will give you a full-size document. Click on the speaker for more information. And then you'll be doing your, I'm sorry, I skipped ahead on you. This is a slide on family involvement. And again, you can click on each of these to see them bigger and also listen to the speaker for more information. Now we're going to find out your own fluency rate. And you're going to test your own words per minute with this passage. This is a 5th grade reading level, so follow the directions on the page. This will give you your timer, and you're going to post your scores in the Dropbox. And to wrap up, you're going to watch the video on the right and go back to your original Padlet. This is where you define fluency from what you already knew and from watching the video. Now I'd like you to go back and I'd like you to read your definition and add something else to it. And there's directions in the video, and you can share here at the green button. Here are your weekly assignments. If you are virtual, you have your participation points at the bottom. Everyone else, we have our weekly discussion thread. Read chapter 3 for next week. Your book list project is due next week, and your lesson demos are going to be due the week of Thanksgiving. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy learning about fluency.